Welcome to my channel Class Winners Books.
Unit 5 Sports and Nutrition. 5.1 Concept of Balanced Diet and Nutrition. A balanced diet is a way of eating that gives your body all the nutrients it needs to function correctly. Imagine your body is like a machine, and the nutrients from food are the fuel and parts it needs to work well. Here is what a balanced diet includes. Carbohydrates. These are like your body's primary source of energy. Foods like bread, rice, pasta, and some fruits have lots of carbohydrates. Proteins. Think of proteins as the building blocks of your body. They help your body grow and repair itself. You can find protein in meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Fats. Your body needs some fat, but the right kind. Fats can be found in oils, butter, avocado, and some dairy products. They give you energy and help you absorb vitamins. Vitamins and minerals, these are like little helpers that keep your body running smoothly. You can find them in fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and grains. They keep your bones strong and your eyesight sharp and fight off sickness. Water, this is super important. Water does not just quench your thirst, it is involved in almost every function in your body. Eating a balanced diet means getting the right mix of these nutrients in the right amounts. It's not about completely cutting out certain foods or only eating one type of food. It's about variety and moderation, ensuring you get a small quantity of everything to keep your body healthy and happy. Nutrition. Nutrition is all about the foods and drinks we consume and how they help our bodies grow, stay healthy, and work properly. It's like the fuel and maintenance for a car but for our bodies. Here is what it involves. Nutrients, these are the substances in food that our bodies need. There are different types, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each plays a specific role. For example, carbohydrates give us energy, proteins help build and repair body tissues, and vitamins and minerals support various body functions. Healthy eating. Good nutrition means eating a variety of foods that give you the right balance of nutrients. It is not just about eating fruits and vegetables, though they are important, but also includes grains, dairy, meat alternatives, and fats in the right amounts. Energy and growth. Our bodies use the nutrients from food for energy, just like a car uses fuel. This energy helps us move, play, think, and grow. Disease prevention. Eating the right foods can also help protect us from illnesses. For example, getting enough vitamin C can help your immune system, and calcium is essential for strong bones. Overall health. Good nutrition is key to overall well-being. It helps maintain a healthy weight, stay active, and feel good physically and mentally. So, nutrition is not just about eating. It is about eating the right kinds of food in the right amounts to keep your body running at its best. 5.2 Macro and Micronutrients, Food Sources and Functions. 1. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are the main parts of our diet that give us energy, help us grow, and repair our bodies. There are three types: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a ratio of 1:1. They are the body's main source of quick energy. The basic units of carbohydrates are sugar molecules. When we eat more carbohydrates than our body needs, the extra is stored as fat. If we don't get enough, it may cause weight loss and weak skin. Carbohydrates come in two forms: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates have one or two sugar molecules and are found in sugar, honey, fruits, and milk. They provide fast energy but don't keep you full for long. Complex carbohydrates have long chains of sugar molecules and are found in whole grains, beans, and vegetables. They take longer to digest, provide sustained energy, and are rich in fiber which helps digestion. Proteins are made of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. They are large molecules broken down into amino acids during digestion. Out of 23 amino acids, 9 must come from food because the body cannot make them. Proteins are essential for building and repairing muscles, skin, hair, and organs. They also help make enzymes that speed up chemical reactions, hormones that regulate body functions, and antibodies that fight infections. Protein sources include animal foods like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy, as well as plant foods like beans, nuts, seeds, soy products, and whole grains. Eating too much animal protein may cause health problems like heart disease and kidney stones. The body needs about 0.36 grams of protein per pound of ideal body weight. Lack of protein can cause diseases such as marasmus and kwashiorkor, especially in children. Fats consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a different ratio. They provide energy, protect vital organs, and help produce hormones. Fats have 9 calories per gram, more than carbohydrates or proteins. There are 2 main types of fats. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature and come from animal products like meat, butter, and cheese, as well as some plant oils like coconut oil. Eating too much saturated fat can raise cholesterol and increase heart disease risk. Unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature and include monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, and polyunsaturated fats found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. These fats are healthier for the heart and important for brain function and cell growth. Water is a simple compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. It makes up about 90% of our blood and is essential for all body functions. Water helps transport nutrients to cells and removes waste. It regulates body temperature, lubricates joints, aids digestion, and keeps the skin healthy. Though not always counted as a macronutrient, water is needed in large amounts and is crucial for life. 2 micronutrients, minerals and vitamins. Micronutrients are needed in smaller amounts but are vital for health because they help the body create hormones, enzymes, and other substances. Minerals make up about 4% of body weight and are important for bones, teeth, muscles, and growth. Some minerals are needed in larger amounts and are called macrominerals. Calcium is necessary for strong bones and teeth and helps muscles and nerves work properly. It is found in milk, cheese, and leafy greens. Phosphorus works with calcium for bone health and helps produce energy. Sources include meat, fish, and nuts. Potassium helps nerves and muscles work and balances body fluids, with bananas and spinach being good sources. Sulfur is important for building proteins and protecting cells, found in meat and eggs. Sodium helps balance fluids and nerve function and is mostly consumed through salt and processed foods. Chloride works with sodium for fluid balance and digestion and is found in salt and seaweed. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function and helps control blood sugar and blood pressure, found in nuts and green leafy vegetables. There are also microminerals, or trace minerals, needed in tiny amounts but equally important. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin in red blood cells, carrying oxygen. It is found in red meat, beans, and spinach. Zinc supports the immune system and healing, found in meat and shellfish. Copper helps form red blood cells and supports nerves and immunity, found in seafood and nuts. Fluoride strengthens bones and teeth and is added to water in some places. Cobalt is part of vitamin B12 necessary for nerve function and red blood cell production, found in meat and dairy. Iodine controls thyroid gland function and metabolism and comes from iodized salt and seafood. Chromium helps metabolize fats and carbohydrates and regulates blood sugar, found in meat and whole grains. 3. Vitamins. Vitamins are essential for growth and health, and our body cannot make most of them, so they must come from food. They are divided into fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins dissolve in fat and are stored in the body. Vitamin A helps with vision, immunity, and skin health, found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and eggs. Vitamin D is important for bone health and calcium absorption. It is produced in the skin from sunlight and found in fatty fish. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects cells, found in nuts and vegetable oils. Vitamin K helps blood clot and supports bones, found in leafy green vegetables. Water-soluble vitamins are not stored much in the body and must be taken regularly. Vitamin C helps repair tissues and supports immunity. It is found in citrus fruits and bell peppers. The vitamin B complex group helps in energy production, brain function, and metabolism. These include B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12 found in whole grains, meats, eggs, and legumes. Deficiencies in vitamins can cause various health problems like night blindness, vitamin A deficiency, scurvy, vitamin C deficiency, or beriberi, vitamin B1 deficiency. Summary. To stay healthy, our bodies need a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates for energy, proteins for building and repair, fats for energy and protection, and plenty of water. Micronutrients like minerals and vitamins support vital body functions such as bone health, immunity, and metabolism. Eating a varied diet with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fats is the best way to get all these nutrients. Extension activity ideas. Diet plan for a vegetarian athlete building muscle include lentils, beans, tofu, nuts, seeds, dairy products, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables to provide enough protein and energy. Diet plan for a non-vegetarian athlete building muscle include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, ensuring adequate protein and complex carbs. Eating strategies to lose 15 kilograms. Focus on a balanced, low-calorie diet rich in vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, with limited sugars and unhealthy fats. Regular exercise is important. Eating strategies to gain 10 kilograms. Increase calorie intake with healthy fats, proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Eat frequent meals and include strength training exercises. 5.3 Nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. Nutritive components of diet. These are parts of the diet that provide energy and calories essential for our body's functioning. 1. Protein. Proteins are vital for life and provide energy. They are made of amino acids and are crucial for building new tissues. After water, proteins make up about 1/6 of our body weight. Proteins come from two main sources. Animal protein, found in eggs, milk products, meat, and fish. Vegetable protein, found in pulses, soybeans, cereals, nuts, and seeds. Soybeans are especially rich in protein. Proteins are also present in fruits and vegetables but in smaller amounts. For athletes, a daily protein intake of 125 to 185 grams is recommended if they consume around 500 calories daily. A balanced diet should include both animal and vegetable proteins. Functions of protein: helps form and repair body tissues, supports growth, produces hormones like insulin and thyroxine, carries oxygen in the blood to muscles through hemoglobin, creates antibodies to fight diseases, provides energy if fats are insufficient. Proteins are especially important for children's growth and adults' tissue repair. Lack of protein can cause serious conditions like marasmus and kwashiorkor, affecting physical and mental health. 2. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Their main role is to supply quick energy and assist the body in removing waste. Eating too many carbohydrates can lead to fat storage, tiredness, dry and loose skin. Too few carbohydrates can cause weakness and weight loss. Sources: starch, rice, wheat, pulses, soybeans, potatoes, honey. 3. Fats. Fats are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are the body's main energy source, help keep it warm, and regulate body temperature. Fats are stored under the skin and around organs, but excess fat can interfere with organ function. Sources: animal, ghee, butter, curd, fish oil, paneer, meat, eggs. Vegetable, coconut, soybean, cereal grains. 4. Vitamins. Vitamins are needed in small amounts but are essential for growth and good health. Deficiencies can cause diseases such as night blindness, vitamin A, beriberi, vitamin B, and scurvy, vitamin C. Types of vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins. These dissolve in fats and include vitamins A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A is vital for vision and skin health. Sources include yeast, milk, tomatoes, papaya, oranges. Vitamin D helps bone and teeth health by aiding calcium absorption. Found in sunlight and green leafy vegetables. Vitamin E supports blood clotting and reproductive health. Found in cereals, yeast, green vegetables. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting. Sources include cauliflower, spinach, eggs. Water-soluble vitamins. These dissolve in water and include vitamin B complex, vitamin C, and vitamin H. Vitamin B complex has 8 vitamins: B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12, each important for digestion, skin, growth, blood formation, and nervous system health. Vitamin C helps wound healing and boosts metabolism. Found in fresh fruits like lemons, guavas, oranges, tomatoes. Vitamin H, also called biotin or B7, prevents fungal infections and skin rashes, found in chicken liver, eggs, sweet potatoes. 5. Minerals. Minerals keep the body healthy and help form teeth and bones. Important minerals include calcium, for bones and blood clotting, found in milk and egg yolk. Phosphorus, works with calcium, found in eggs, fish, meat. Iron, needed for making hemoglobin. Sources include red meat, eggs, nuts, green vegetables. Sulfur, important for hair and nails, found in pulses, carrots, peanuts. Potassium, essential for muscle strength, present in oranges, carrots, bananas. Sodium, helps muscle contraction and fluid balance, found in milk, meat, eggs. Iodine, necessary for thyroid function, deficiency causes goiter. Sources include onions and iodized salt. Non-nutritive components of diet. These do not provide energy or calories but still play important roles in health and diet. 1. Fiber or roughage. Fiber is the part of food our body cannot digest. It adds bulk to the diet, helping digestion and preventing constipation. Fiber can be soluble fiber, dissolves in water, helps control blood sugar and lower cholesterol. Insoluble fiber, does not dissolve, softens stools for easy bowel movements. Recommended daily fiber intake is about 30 grams for adults. Sources include whole wheat, fruits, root vegetables, oats, and connective tissues in meat and fish. 2. Water. Water is vital, making up about 90% of our blood. It transports nutrients, removes waste, regulates body temperature, lubricates joints, and maintains skin moisture. Around 20% of water comes from food, the rest from drinking. We lose about 2% of body weight in water daily, so it must be replenished. 3. Color compounds. Natural pigments in fruits and vegetables provide appealing colors to food, reds, oranges, greens, blues, which also indicate the presence of important nutrients. 4. Flavor compounds. Flavors come from both nutritive and non-nutritive substances and influence taste. Acidic foods taste sour, alkaline foods might taste bitter. 5. Plant compounds. Plants contain non-nutritive substances that can be beneficial or harmful. Some may help prevent cancer, while others like caffeine can raise heart rate and stomach acid if consumed too much. 5.4 Eating for weight control, a healthy height, the pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance and food myths. Healthy weight. Having a healthy weight means living a healthier life with fewer risks of diseases like heart problems, stroke, high blood pressure, and diabetes. A healthy body mass index, BMI, is between 18.5 and 24.9. If BMI is between 25 and 29.9, it means overweight, 30 or more means obesity. Obesity is further divided into categories based on BMI numbers, with higher numbers indicating more serious health risks. To check if your weight is healthy, you can use a height and weight chart or calculate your BMI using your weight and height. How to maintain a healthy weight? Exercise regularly. Activities like walking, aerobics, cycling, swimming, and yoga for 30 to 40 minutes daily burn calories and help maintain weight. Balance calories. Eat only as many calories as you burn. Avoid overeating, especially during holidays. Eat on time. Regular meals prevent overeating caused by excessive hunger. Stay active. Avoid long screen time. Use stairs instead of lifts and play outdoors. Set realistic goals. Plan weight loss or maintenance with enough nutrition without starving yourself. Monitor calorie intake. Adjust eating according to age, sex, and lifestyle. Even cutting 100 calories daily can help manage weight. Focus on health. Aim for overall health, not just weight loss. Practice yoga. Yoga helps manage weight and reduce stress. Avoid junk food. Stay away from burgers, pastries, sodas, and other high-calorie snacks. Prevent overeating. Eat what your body needs. Extra calories lead to weight gain. Limit high-carb foods. Be cautious with rice, sweets, and sugary foods, but don't eliminate carbs completely. They provide energy. Avoid alcohol, smoking, and drugs. These can cause weight gain and damage your health. Maintaining a healthy weight is about balance, activity, and smart food choices. Pitfalls of dieting. Many people diet to look better or feel stronger, but improper dieting can cause health problems. Marasmus, severe weight loss and dehydration leading to dry, itchy skin. Dental and blood issues, lack of calcium and phosphorus weakens teeth, iron deficiency causes anemia leading to tiredness. Eye problems, vitamin A deficiency can cause night blindness and eye irritation. Mineral deficiencies can lead to thyroid issues like goiter. Memory and concentration problems, lack of potassium affects brain functions and sleep. Other problems, mouth ulcers, constipation, hair loss, scurvy, and eating disorders can result from poor dieting. Calorie deficiency, too little calorie intake lowers body efficiency. Fatigue and weakness, dieting without proper nutrition causes physical and mental exhaustion. Vitamin deficiency, lack of essential vitamins harms overall health. Reduced confidence and exercise difficulty, feeling weak can make exercising hard, which may also weaken bones. Balanced diet and professional guidance are important for safe dieting. Food intolerance. Food intolerance happens when your body cannot digest certain foods properly, causing symptoms like vomiting, acidity, diarrhea, and stomach pain. Sometimes symptoms appear later, depending on how well your body produces digestive enzymes or bile juice. Common causes include lack of specific digestive enzymes, hereditary enzyme deficiencies, chemicals used to preserve food, unhealthy diet low in fiber and high in fried foods, poor digestive juice production, food contamination or spicy, unfamiliar foods. Symptoms, stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, heartburn, headache, anxiety, and vitamin deficiencies. Management, avoid foods causing symptoms and consult a doctor if needed. Common food myths. Many food beliefs are based on myths, some of which are scientifically incorrect. Breakfast, it's better to have a heavy breakfast and light dinner, not the other way around. Eating frequency. Small, nutrient-rich meals frequently are better than large calorie-heavy meals. Sweets, they provide instant energy and are fine if you have an active lifestyle. Water during meals, drinking water with meals is okay and doesn't affect digestion negatively. Milk and fish, no evidence that drinking milk after eating fish is harmful. Starvation diets, starving does not help with weight loss and causes tiredness. Exercise and hunger, exercise doesn't always increase appetite. Rice and potatoes, these are good energy sources and don't always cause obesity. Eggs and cholesterol, eggs are healthy protein sources and don't always cause heart problems. Greasy foods, not all fats are bad, unsaturated fats are part of a healthy diet. Summary. Maintaining a healthy weight requires a balance of regular exercise, smart food choices, and avoiding harmful habits like overeating, junk food, alcohol, and smoking. Dieting should be done carefully with enough nutrition to avoid health risks. Understanding food intolerance and myths helps you make better choices for a healthy lifestyle. 5.5 Importance of diet in sports pre, during, and post-competition requirement. Importance of diet in sports. In sports, it is very important to have a well-balanced diet because what you eat greatly affects your performance. A well-balanced diet means eating the suitable types and amounts of food from all food groups. Athletes burn a lot of calories during training and competitions, so they need to eat enough to keep their energy up. This means getting enough proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Here's why diet is so important in sports. Energy for training and competing. A good diet provides the energy needed for sports activities. Carbohydrates and fats supply energy, while proteins help with growth and tissue repair. Nutrition for cell repair and reducing tiredness. Carbohydrates prevent muscle fatigue by providing immediate energy. Proteins, as a secondary energy source, are crucial for building muscle. Maintaining appropriate body weight. A balanced diet is key to maintaining or achieving the right body weight for optimal sports performance. Reducing injury risk. Proper nutrition strengthens muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments, reducing the chance of sports-related injuries. Aiding recovery. After intense training or competition, the proper diet helps replenish glycogen stores in muscles and repairs protein breakdown, speeding up recovery. Improving health and immunity. A good diet boosts the immune system. Vitamins like vitamin E and C and minerals like zinc and iron enhance immune function. Ensuring proper hydration. A balanced diet includes enough fluids to improve hydration, which is essential for overall body function and sports performance. Hydration helps regulate body temperature, joint lubrication, and nutrient transport. In summary, diet is crucial in sports for providing energy, aiding recovery, maintaining weight, preventing injuries, boosting immunity, and ensuring proper hydration. During and post-competition requirements. Athletes are often focused on what to eat before, during, and after their training or competitions because the right nutrition is key to improving their performance. However, it is about more than just eating well on competition days. Good health and top performance come from eating a proper diet every day, including various foods to get all the necessary nutrients. Pre-training competition. Importance. What athletes eat before an event is crucial for their performance. They should start eating complex carbohydrates like bread, cereals, potatoes, pasta, rice, fruits, and vegetables at least a week before to boost glycogen stores in their muscles. Meal planning. Meals should be high in energy and mainly carbohydrates for several days before the competition, not just on the day itself. Pre-competition diet. This should be rich in carbohydrates but low in fat, protein, and fiber to ensure quick energy. The day before, meals should include carbohydrate-rich foods like pasta, toast, and brown rice. High-fat and high-protein foods are best avoided as they slow digestion. Hydration. Drinking fluids a couple of hours before the event helps prevent dehydration, which can impact performance. Athletes should feel neither hungry nor thirsty just before starting. During training competition. Staying hydrated. It is crucial to keep drinking fluids to stay hydrated and keep blood sugar levels steady. This helps prevent fatigue. Fluid intake. Drink regularly during the event, not waiting until you feel thirsty. The amount depends on the weather and how intense the activity is. For longer events, if it lasts more than an hour, take small amounts of carbohydrates at regular intervals to keep energy up. For shorter events, if it is less than an hour, just drinking water every 10 to 20 minutes is fine. Sports drinks. These can be useful for activities over 60 minutes or less intense activities that last a long time. Post-training competition. Rehydration. First, replace any fluids lost. Water or sports drinks are good for this. Quick carbohydrates. Eat or drink something with carbohydrates within 15 minutes after finishing, like fruits or juices. Post-competition meal. Have a meal within 2 hours, including 100 to 200 grams of carbohydrates and lean protein like meat or chicken. This helps with muscle recovery. Protein intake. Include at least 20 grams of protein after competing with foods like cheese, eggs, or yogurt. Balanced meal. 2 hours later, have a complete meal with grains, rice, potatoes, vegetables, fruits, and protein sources like meat, fish, or beans. Summary of the chapter. A balanced diet is key to optimal body function, providing essential nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Nutrition focuses on consuming these nutrients for energy, growth, disease prevention, and overall health. Macronutrients, carbs, proteins, fats, and micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, play specific roles in bodily functions. In sports, diet is crucial for energy, recovery, and performance. Pre-competition meals should be carb-rich. During competition, hydration and energy maintenance are vital. Post-competition focuses on recovery through fluids, carbs, and proteins. Awareness of dieting pitfalls, food intolerances, and myths is essential for overall health and effective weight management.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Class Winner Books.